Bluetooth B. Where'd she get these products from?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shae. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with a brand new video. What's up, y'all? So we're back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, you know the vibes. And as you guys can already tell by the title of this video, today's video we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We've never done this before on my channel, but I mean, let's give it a try, right? I mean, let's just hope that this is gonna go well. Usually I always do voiceovers on my install. I always give you guys like a sort of tutorial, but I feel like I've done enough tutorials and I feel like we should definitely do something different. So as you guys can already tell by today's title, my brother is gonna be doing my voiceover for my install, my little brother at that. So I don't know what's coming, I don't know what he's gonna say, I don't know what's gonna go on, but I really hope this goes well. I really do. So with that being said, if you guys don't know who Malcolm is, well, guess what? I'm going to introduce real quick. You guys should have already seen him in my vlogs. He's my little brother. He just turned 16 in April. He's super annoying, but that's my dog. I love him. So he's going to be doing my voiceover. So enjoy, and he's crazy. So yeah. I'm not sure what's going to go on this voiceover before we even get started. So I'm going to give you guys all the details before we even start. This hair is from UNice Hair. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I'm really happy to be working with them. The lace is absolutely amazing. It melted so nicely onto my skin. The lace was also super thin. The hair is super full and thick. This is a 24-inch curly wig. All the link and info will be down in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this gorgeous unit from them. And also they have different textures, colors, all of that on their website, so make sure you go check it out, and also make sure to follow them on Instagram. It'll be on the screen and also down in the description box. Make sure you guys go check it out. Huge thank you to UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Listen, this install just came out bomb, so make sure you watch until the end to see how I did this on the like baby hairs and all that stuff. It just turned out super duper cute, so make sure you guys tune in until the end. I'm not sure what's gonna go on after this, but let's just hope that it goes well. Okay, like let's just hope that it goes good, because I don't know. I'm scared. I don't even know what he's gonna say. If he's gonna roast me, I don't know what's gonna go on. I'm actually really scared for my life right now. Just excuse whatever is about to happen right now. Let's just put it that way. But I love y'all. Hope y'all enjoy. Let me know if y'all want me to do more videos like this. Let me know if you guys want to see my mom do my voiceover, whatever, whoever you want to see. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and good luck to me.
Alright, it's your boy. We are here doing a wig install. Alright, so right now she putting this yeah, I don't even know what these things are called, but she wrapping her head up. She about to cut this. Hopefully she don't cut herself. She making holes. She doing it for her ears. Alright, there we go. Fat ass ears of hers. Alright, she doing the other side. Yes sir. It's light work, you feel me? Oh, she ripped it. Dang, that big old head of yours, she ripped it. That's crazy. It says Bluetooth B. Where'd she get these products from? Like, what the hell? She laying it down, drying it down. I guess so it don't come off while she walking. Yes, sir. I know that thing about to go flying. Alright, patting it down. That's twice in a row. How many times you gonna do it? Like 3, 4, 5? And we gotta get to the good part where she actually gonna put the whole wig on. This is just a start, you know. Alright, she's cutting it off now. That's that excess right there. You gotta make sure that forehead pop. That extender forehead, that's what I call those. She's cutting off the rest. It's taking a long time. I could never. I don't know how y'all do this on a weekly basis. Alright, there we go. You need to wear makeup more. You look beat. Alright, now she's about to put on the real wig. Yes, sir. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so I'm guessing she's putting makeup so she can, like, yeah, blend in the color. But yeah, I didn't even know they had makeup for, like, foreheads and stuff. I guess anything's possible at this point. Alright, so I guess now she's about to put it on. She put a little bit inside. Alright, now she better flip that thing on. Yes, sir. I don't know how the hell she gonna lay this down. Yeah, there we go. She put it like that. I like how she's trying to hide the big ass forehead of hers. It's crazy. I don't know about that life. Alright, now she's cutting off again, some of that extra stuff. She's giving herself a lineup. Period poo. Alright. Now she's putting this, she's holding it back. What you about to do right now? Alright, she's pushing it back. Okay. What is that? Oh, that's glue. Well, she's sticking it down. Imagine that thing don't come off. That's tough. Hey, yo. Alright. She's putting on some glue on the sides, giving herself a little edge up. Now she actually, you know, laying it down. There you go. Yeah, I don't know what to say this part. Now I guess now she's drying it. She's making it stick for real, for real. She's putting some more. Ah, damn, how much you gonna put? Alright. No, even more? Alright. Still doing this glue thing. We not done yet? We still not done? Alright, now she's drying it off. Alright, there we go. Still drying it off. Are you slow? I ain't gonna lie to you. You slow at this. You know, like, goddamn. Alright, now she's actually putting on the wig. She brushed some of the hair back. Yes, sir. Alright, now she's actually drying it. That blower coming in clutch, bro. Alright. She's putting the other side. She's applying it. Brushing the hair back a little bit. Now she's drying it again. I just realized, yo, your eyebrows are messed up. Like, your eyebrows, the edge right there, non-existent. Bushy eyebrows, you need to get that fixed. Alright, now she's putting on the other side. She's drying that side too. Alright, now I guess she about to tie up the hair or something. It's looking like it. Yeah, she's tying the edges, I guess. I don't know what we're doing here. I just work here. Alright. Just drying it up some more. We still, bruh. Go faster. This is
20 minutes later.
I guess now she's taking it off. Taking it slow and steady. You don't want to mess it up. What the hell is that? I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that is. Like this heating comb. That's cool. I never seen that before. Alright. Now she's cutting off the excess again. I'm trying to see this edge up real quick. Oh, she cut some of the hair out. Alright, she's cutting off the rest. Not too bad, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm actually kinda good at this. Alright, I guess now we finally about to start styling. Now she's doing this little line in her hair. Giving herself a little line up. I guess now she's about to put some of that got to be again. I think coming in clutch. Nope, she's putting this instead. Alright, that works. She's using that heat comber, whatever it is. Putting some more of that. Some of that got to be again. Yes, sir. Shout out to that boy Got. And then now she's combing it down. Making sure everything's laid back. Alright, now she's tying it up. I guess now she's about to start doing them edges. Yes, sir. Alright, she's taking out some of the hair she's about to use for the edges. I guess she's about to cut it. I hope she do. That thing's way too long to be doing edges. Alright. Taking out that extra. Taking out some more of that. Honestly, edges be the best way to hide your forehead, bro. Especially for people with big foreheads. The edges be coming in clutch. Alright, now she's laying it down. She's about to curl it. Alright, there we go. Doing it one by one. I know your forehead hurt. Curling it again for the other side. Curl it down for the bottom. Now she's doing it for the other side. Alright, I guess she's done with that side. Nope, she's still doing it. There we go. No, baby, no. Baby, no. Alright, she's wetting the rest of her hair. Trying to lay it down. Some of whatever that is. Alright, so now we got the final result. Yes, sir. I honestly, I give this like a 2 out of 10 because Ashley just looked, nah, she not it. She looking like Donkey from Shrek, to be honest. Long face having that, big nostrils having that. She can breathe she can smell things from 2 miles away. You feel me? My eyebrows look like cut down forest. Them lips, don't even get me started. Them boys ashy as hell. Ashy elbows, ashy everything. You feel me? And that's it. I'm out.
Alrighty, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what other video ideas you guys want to see down below. Comment video ideas, leave comments down below. Let me know what y'all want to see next on my channel. I love y'all so much, and if you watch up until the end, make sure you comment 3 blue hearts down below. Comment 3 blue hearts and I'll subscribe back to your channel, y'all. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all. Peace.
You,